What is in the Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure ebook? Inside the Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure ebook, you will find effective treatments that will eliminate your pain and agony, and help restore and strengthen the tissue in your feet. These effective treatments are natural and holistic, so you won't have to suffer through side effects that prescription meds often cause. With this book, you will never have to experience expensive surgical procedures or injection. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. The book will educate you on the common causes of plantar fasciitis so you get a better understanding of this ailment. It will show you 3 common household objects to help alleviate and protect your feet. It provides a unique 2-finger massage method to ease and stop the pain. It also has dietary tips and tricks to repair and strengthen the damaged tissue. There's also one important mineral that you must take to protect your fascia tissue. The number 1 vitamin that you must add to your supplement to prevent this from happening again. It also comments on other treatment options such as acupuncture to let you know if it truly works or not. Another thing to keep in mind is that it will also tell you the proper footwear to put on your feet and the type of shoes to avoid. If you have flat feet or high-arched, it will let you know what to do. When you are running, the e-book will tell you strategies that you can take to prevent inflammation. With this book, you will become the ultimate expert. The e-book provides you with all the strategies and techniques to get rid of plantar fasciitis. In fact, it goes into more details and gives you the secrets that other healthcare providers are not aware of. Click the link below for visit official site. What makes Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure unique from other treatment? All the clear information and detail that you are looking for. Everything and anything that you want to know about plantar fasciitis and treatment can be found in this organized e-book. The e-book is verified by drtrusted.org, and it's based on over 23 medical studies. That way you know it's a credible resource. The e-book has over hundreds of positive feedback from people who have gone through its treatment regime. They also have excellent support and customer service that can reply within hours. For more information, click the link below.